guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie for those of you that don't know me, and I love to make home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Today's video it's going to be a decorate with me for spring and Easter. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna start with the entryway. This is an area that I wanted to kind of like refresh for the spring. So I got this light on Amazon. The cool thing is that you don't need wire for them. These are, rechargeable LED lights, and they come in white as well. And then you could get the light warm or cool white, and of course I got cool white. You don't need to screw this into the wall, but I am still gonna screw it because I just have a glass table by the entryway and I just want to be safe. But here's how the instructions come, and here's the hobby putting them together. He just measured. It was super easy, honestly, and then I made sure he leveled them, of course. So after the hobby was done installing the lights, I went ahead and cleaned my table, my mirror, and just wiped down the area before I start adding decor. And we're gonna keep this area very simple and minimal. You guys know I am loving the look, especially now since I cannot be cleaning and moving a lot of things around. I just wanted this spring decor to be very minimal and neutral. So in case I don't have time to bring things down, it doesn't look like, the Easter bunny throw up in my house, if you know what I mean. I got this cool hang figure thing at Ross, and it was only $21, and I thought it was so cute and different. I was like, I'm definitely buying this and putting it somewhere in the house, and here it is on the entryway. This year for the spring decor, honestly, I shopped my home for the most part. Like this vase, you guys know I got it at JCPenney back in the fall. And here I got some new stems. These ones are from Amazon and I love them. They look very realistic. And it was a set of 2 branches for $24, but trust me, worth the price. They look like I just cut them from my backyard. Then I'm gonna add this bunny and this little chicken. I think it's a chicken or a bird, I'm not sure. I got those at home, and I think they're so cute, just to add a little pop of Easter in here as well. I just love how the entryway turned out. It's super simple, but at the same time it is just so pretty. I don't know, it's just so inviting. To the formal living room, you guys remember from my previous video that I shared that we added a new rock into this area. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe the table before we start to decorate, and wipe the fireplace and all of that good stuff. But we're gonna keep it, again, very nice and simple in this area. This pillow covers from Shein, and you guys, when I tell you the quality for the price is unbelievable, you need to get your hands on this because they're so pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add them here. I already put them in my pillow insert, and I love that they come with the black and the grays. They look super modern in this area. At my local Ross, I picked up these cute bunny pillows. Look how pretty, you guys, and they were only $10.99. I love that they had like these little tassel details on the side as well. And then again, it's neutral, that it goes with my neutral Easter decor. So I ordered these flower vases, acrylic flower vases on Amazon a while back. So finally I'm gonna use them today, so I'm excited. So I poured some water in them, and then I picked up some florals at my local Publix, and of course I went with the white and greens because that's just the theme. Just adding pop of, greenery throughout the house for spring. So for the guest bathroom, I got some new bottles for the shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. So I'm just putting those together. And then I'm just gonna keep it very simple here. I'm just gonna change the towel and add some natural flowers into a vase and call it a day into this area. We're not gonna go crazy this year on the guest bathroom. You know, just simplicity, guys. It's at its best. So I'm putting this little cute bunny towel that I got, and it came in a set of three. And this one is like white with a mint color, which is perfect with that little green. And look how pretty that is. So for the dining room, I used this piece of driftwood, I think that's what it's called, that I already had at home. Everything I had at home, even the orchids. So I'm just creating like a little centerpiece here with the items that I already had. So I put the orchids around the wood, and then I added some candle holders with some candles, and that pretty much gives me a pop of color into the area. And it just looks pretty, you guys, and I didn't have to spend a penny on this centerpiece. Now we're gonna move into the kitchen, and we're gonna add a little pop of spring into here, and also a little touch of Easter. I'm not using a lot of bunnies this year, as you can see per my decor, but I just still wanted to make it a little festive and add a couple of, Easter pieces in the house. I got these flowers that were $12.99 at TJ Maxx, and I got a set of three. And I think they were perfect for the look that I wanted to go. I'm gonna go ahead and add a tray here, and this little wood tray, I put this oversized candle that I had for a while. And then I'm gonna create a little, arrangement in this vase here that I also had already in the house. I love shopping my home, you guys. And the economy is crazy right now, so we have to save money where we can, and just moving things around in the house into a different area gives you a whole brand new look. Trust me. For the bar area, I got this cute wood bowl for $12.99 at Ross, and then I got this moss eggs at TJ Maxx for $6.99, and I just, put them in the bowl, and here I am putting a little bunny. Look how cute. I had this bunny since last year and I never used it, so this year it gets in there. And then I'm just adding a little orchid arrangement that I already had, and that completes the bar look, you guys. I told you, keeping things very simple. I got a new plant for this area. I don't know if you remember my old one, but I found that one at Home Goods, and it's like 10 feet tall, so it makes the space look so much bigger here, and it just looks better than the other one. The family room, I also got a new rug. The hubby set it up, and this one is also from Target. And you guys, I love the colors because this one really hides, all the dirt and all that stuff. So here I have my black pillow that you guys already know I had, and this one, this white one, it's like a tester pillow that I got on Amazon. It's a cover, and the little one, it's from Shein. It's also a cover, and look how pretty these covers are, you guys. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. That was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope my video gives you some inspiration to decorate your home this spring season. I will see you all on the next one. God bless.